Hi friends, let us build some basic statements in trigonometry. We'll use very basic formula here. 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a equals cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1. Basically, we have to convert from tan to cot. What is cot? Cot is 1 by tan a. It is pretty straightforward. 1 minus tan a is 1 minus 1 by cot a. 1 plus tan a is 1 plus 1 by cot a. Then here this becomes cot a minus 1 by cot a. This becomes cot a plus 1 by cot a. Cot a and cot a we can cancel. This becomes cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1. Pretty straightforward. I just need to convert tan to cot. Next one. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equals tan square a by plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equals sin square a by cos square a. Basically, we have to convert tan and cot to sin and cos. What is 1 plus tan square a? It is secant square a, right? We have already done this. This is very basic result, right? Secant square a minus 1 is tan square a, cosecant square a minus 1 is cot square a. Right, this is very basic result. We should know this. Like sin square a plus cos square a equals 1. So 1 plus tan square a is secant square a. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square a. So secant square a is 1 by cos square a and cosecant square a is 1 by sin square a. This becomes sin square a by cos square a. Right? Pretty straightforward. Next one. Secant a minus tan a by secant a plus tan a equals 1 minus 2 secant a tan a plus 2 tan square a. Right. Basically, we have to remove the denominator. We have to get everything in the numerator. Right. We know secant square a minus tan square equals 1. So if you multiply with secant a minus tan a, numerator and denominator, the denominator will disappear. So let's do that. Secant a minus tan a by secant a plus tan a times secant a minus tan a by secant a minus tan a. Right. This and this will become multiplication of these two will become 1. Right. Secant square a minus tan square a and the numerator will become secant a minus tan a whole square, right? Then if we expand this becomes secant square a plus tan square a minus 2 secant a tan a. Denominator is anyway 1, right? So then, but we want what? We want 2 tan square a, right? There is only 1 tan square a. We have minus 2 secant a tan a, so that is sufficient. 2 tan square a we want. So let us add 1 tan square a and subtract. Basically, we will add 0 only. Nothing changes. So secant square a minus 1 tan square a plus 1 tan square a, and then the remaining part remains same. Tan square a minus 2 secant a tan a. Right. What is the secant square a minus tan square a? This is 1. Right. And tan square a plus tan square a is 2 tan square a. Basically, this one has become 1 plus 2 tan square a minus 2 secant a tan a. That is what we wanted to prove. Right, guys? Pretty straightforward. Let us look at one more. Here, tan a by 1 minus cot a plus cot a by 1 minus tan a equals secant a cosecant a plus 1. Basically, we have to convert tan and cot to secant and cosecant. Right. So, first let's convert tan and cot to either tan or cot. Just to simplify this expression. Let us convert this to cot. Sorry, to tan. Cot a is 1 by tan a, right? So, this part will become tan a by 1 minus 1 by tan a plus cot a is 1 by tan a. 1 by tan a by 1 minus tan a. Right. Then this becomes tan a by tan a minus 1 by tan a. Right. Tan a by tan a minus 1 by tan a. This part will become 1 by tan a times 1 minus tan a. So this will become tan a into 1 minus tan a in the denominator. Right. So here this one will become, this tan a will go to the top. So tan square a by tan a minus 1 plus 1 by tan a into 1 minus tan a. Right. So we have tan a minus 1 and 1 minus tan a here. So if we make this tan a minus 1, then this becomes minus. Right. We can write this as minus 1 by tan a times tan a minus 1. So let's take this tan a minus 1 common. Right. So because both are there in the denominator, then this expression will become 1 by tan a minus 1 times tan square a minus 1 by tan a. Please note this is plus will become minus because we are changing 1 minus tan a to tan a minus 1. Right. So this becomes 1 by tan a minus 1 into into this tan A into tan square A, which is tan cube A minus 1 by, so this inside part will become tan cube A minus 1 by tan A, and outside is 1 by tan A minus 1. So total will become tan cube A minus 1 by tan A times tan A minus 1. This is in the form of A cube minus B cube, which is A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square. Right? We know the regular formula. What this is, A cube minus B cube. So let's write it as A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, which is tan square A plus tan A plus B square, which is 1 square. Why are we doing this? Because we want to cancel this tan A minus 1. Alright, ultimately we have to remove the denominator. Right, if you write this tan A minus 1 will get cancelled. We'll be left with tan square A plus tan A plus 1. What is tan square A plus 1? It is secant square A. Alright, this becomes secant square A plus tan A by tan A. Right, right, we are almost there. Just that this tan A we have to remove. Right, then what we do? Let's open this secant square A by tan A plus 1 plus tan A by tan A, which is 1. Right, what is secant square A by tan A? Secant square into cos A by sin A, right? Sin A is sin A by cos A. Sin will come in the denominator, cos will come in the numerator, right? Plus tan A by tan A is anyway 1, which is 1, right? Now, secant A and cos A. There are two secant A's and one cos A. Secant A and cos A are inverse, right? So, secant A and cos A is 1. So, we'll be left secant A by sin A. We'll be left with 1 secant A by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? It is cosecant A. So this becomes cosecant A secant A plus 1, which is what we wanted to do. Secant A cosecant A plus 1. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. They're pretty simple results. Just that little bit of algebraic manipulations in all these cases. Little bit of algebraic manipulations only we need. Let us do one more. Here we have to convert. We have cos A by 1 minus tan A sin A by 1 minus cot A equals sin A plus cos A. We have to convert this tan and cot to sin and cos. Very basic. Right. Let's do that. Cos A by 1 minus tan A sin A by cos A. 1 minus sin A by cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cos A by sin A. Right. Then this becomes, the left hand side becomes cos minus sin. Right. If you take this one, this becomes cos A minus sin A, and this cos A will go to the numerator. So this becomes cos square A by cos A minus 1. Here, this one will become sin A minus cos A, and the sin A will go to the numerator. So sin square A by sin A minus cos A. So we have cos A minus sin A here and sin A minus cos A here. Right. So we can write this as cos square A by cos A minus sin A minus sin square A by again cos A minus sin A. Right. If you want to change the direction, if you want to write this as cos A minus sin A, then we will change this to minus. Right. Then both the denominators will become equal. Then we can directly do cos square A minus sin square A. So that's what we are doing. Cos square A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A, because this has changed to minus, this also becomes cos A minus sin A. Right. What is this? Cos square minus sin square A. This is A square minus B square, which is A minus B into A plus B. Why we are doing this? Because we want to cancel this cos A minus sin. We want only numerator. We have to remove the denominator. Right. So then this we do cos A minus sin A times cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. This and this will cancel and will be left with cos A plus sin A. Right, guys? Very simple algebraic manipulation. Hope you like this. Thank you.